One of the best parts about working as a curator or as a producer is that you have this real privilege of seeing an exhibition develop, of working with an artist, of listening to their starting points, of being there as those works unfold. And so when I think about the exhibition here, and it's been a real delight this week to see people come and experience the work. I think when you're working on a project such as this, you're so close to the work that you can't see it. You're so focused on the detail of the logistics, of making sure that it is cared for, of making sure everything works, that the publications have arrived, that our caterers are there for events. And I think actually listening to people's experience of the work has enabled me to see it. And that has been such an amazing part of this week, and I didn't really anticipate that. To take joy from other people's joy, or their emotions of seeing the work for the first time, of the way that they're interpreting it, the way what it makes them think about, who it makes them remember, who it kind of, just the conversations that are happening around the work has been such a wonderful part of this opening week.